Hey everybody in YouTube land. Mwah! What a great week it's been. I had Marcy, mixed media girl from California, who came out and spent some time with me. If you didn't see the videos, check them out on my channel. We did an abstract kind of fun video, and then we did a swipe. And let me show you the finished piece. I got to step back because it's big. It's a 36 by 24 inch. Make sure I can get it in the camera here. Yay! Now, I don't have varnish on it yet, but I'm calling it Wings Extravaganza, and it is available. If you're interested, just hit me up in the comments. Email me, Sandra@sandralett.com, or on Facebook, send me a message. I had the best time with her. She had a few days here with me and then moved on to Christina Welch's house and studio, and they did some lives and things together, so it was a great visit. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, Marcy, for coming to see us. And let's see, don't forget, Purple Elephant is still available. This is a 16 by 20. This was a collab with Jill Jackson, or Sister Earthification on YouTube. And she did the rainbow forbidden swipe, and I did the elephant with some foliage. So Purple Elephant is waiting for a home. So check it out. It's also time for a free giveaway. So I'm going to probably run a little contest where you go to my website, sandralett.com, and there'll be a link on that front page where you sign up with your email address for a chance to win a draped flowers pillow cover. So this fits a 16-inch pillow, and this was a tutorial I did. If you didn't see that before, I have a tutorial, and this was all painted with Q-tips in a tutorial. My tutorial link is below the video. I loved it so much that I decided to print it on fabric and offer it as a free pillow. And you can actually do it this way, the way the painting was originally designed, or you can turn it this way and it looks like a garden. It can go either way. I thought this would be beautiful in someone's chair, couch, bedroom, that kind of thing. Also, I have a clock that is available. I've been doing these Resin Geode clocks on vinyl records, and I haven't put the mechanism on yet, but this is a beauty. It's all full of sparkles and shimmer and crushed glass, copper, gold, bronze, and a really sparkly blue. It's called Fire and Ice, and this is available. I think it's in my Etsy store. And if you're not familiar with my Etsy store, I put some of the smaller things on Etsy, and that will be below the video in the video description. My Etsy shop is Sandra Lett Art, all one word, Sandra Lett Art. Okay? Oh, so for the pillow giveaway, if you go to my website and just sign up with your email, you can have one chance to win, and I will pick a winner. I'll probably start the contest tonight on Saturday and end it, let's just say, Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? So I'll put the dates in the description so that you're not confused about when the contest runs and ends. But it gives you a chance to win a pillow cover. Also, if you would please, I would really appreciate it, just check out the links below. Facebook, go join my Facebook group if you aren't already there. I would love to have you there. And come find me on Facebook, my regular Facebook page, my art page. I would love for you to come like my art page. Any kind of support is always appreciated. Just follow me everywhere on social media so you can keep up with me and we can stay in touch. Because it's hard to stay in touch on YouTube. You can only comment below a video, but you can't have any interaction. So I like to stay in touch with my people, okay? And I just put a tutorial out. It's $35, and on my tutorial website, which the link is below the video, it's $35 for a class. You save $10 if you do the monthly, and you get every class that I have, which is 30 plus videos. There's also the 6-month subscription and the annual subscription. So with all those monthly, 6-month, and annual subscriptions, you get access to every class that I offer. And whatever class you start, you will have a lifetime access to it. So if you decide to cancel your subscription at some point in the future, whatever classes you had started, you'll always have a lifetime access to take that class. There's no grading. I don't spank your hand if you don't finish it. I don't, judge you. I just want you to take the class and learn how to paint. And I'm doing some, I've done a drawing class. I've done lots of painting classes. I did one with Q-tips. I've done an acrylic pour with intention. And this time I decided to do an embellishing resin with acrylics, and then you reseal it with the resin. And so I have 3 different segments in this one tutorial class, so you get to learn all of these. I embellished this sea glass geode. So this was a regular 8-inch geode resin piece that I made. And in the class, I give you links to all of the products I use on Amazon. And so you can find everything I've used, all the products, all the deco art products, all the acrylic pieces and everything. So I show you how to embellish this on top of the layer of resin, and then you seal it again with resin, and you have this nice 3D effect. It's heat resistant and all that, so it's great. I have a set of 4 coasters called the Fire Opal coasters. And they're just traditional coasters on the back. And on the front side, I thought they were a little, kind of bland. So I showed how to embellish these. If you can see that. And then after they're embellished, you put a little thin coat of resin over them, and they're heat resistant and ready to go as far as coasters. And then the third portion of the class is I had taken these resin coasters, which I wasn't like super crazy about, and I actually have sold these. And after making the coasters and not being quite crazy with them, I put them back in the mold and I embellished them, and I did another layer of resin on the underside, so the art is sealed between the resin. And so it just shows the little details. That I did with the acrylics. And again, it's sealed between the resin, it's heat resistant, and it's safe and ready to go. So that's my latest tutorial. Again, it's $35. You have lifetime access to it. I provide all the links, the original YouTube video links for all 3 sets of where I showed the original making of the pieces, and then this class just shows you how I embellished it and then resined it at the end. So I hope you will check it out, and anytime you purchase a class, you get a free print of art of anything of your choice. You can always find my art easiest on Sandra Lett on Instagram. And also, if you were to happen to sign up for the annual subscription, I give you a $150 valued painting of your choice. You can have me custom paint you a piece of whatever you want, and that is my gift to you for doing the annual subscription. Look for the contest to win the pillow, and check out the clock on Etsy, Sandra Lett Art. And don't forget the purple elephants for sale, and the wings extravaganza that I did with Mixed Media Girl is for sale. So just check out all those, and I will see you next time. Love you all. Hugs. Goodbye.